What problems are you having in your garden? Too many pests. I'm frustrated with these pests. You have to spray organic pesticides once a month. Completely shabby garden. Overgrown and so wild. You have to trim and prune your garden regularly. So many waste plants, full of weeds, weedy plants in every part of the garden. De-weeding is very important. So many plants have just died. Plants have just died. Jeevamrita is important, ma. Yuck. Dry as ever. Such dry plants, just like a desert. Forgot to water your plants. And they look diseased. It started with one diseased plant. Now all of them are full of diseases. Did you forget to manure your garden?
Oh my God.
The house is full of mosquitoes because of the stagnant water. All my friends say that my garden is full of mosquitoes. Is your soil having good drainage? I got vegetables just the first 1 month. After that, not even one vegetable. Not even one flower. When was the last time you gave your plant some nutrition? The garden has no life at all. All the plants are stunted. If you don't maintain your garden will look lifeless. There's so much of dirt in every nook and cranny. Dust everywhere. Everywhere it's dusty. When did you last maintain and clean up your garden? Maintenance is the solution for all these problems. Wow! For a healthy, thriving garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. Your friendly neighborhood gardener is waiting for you. Call us at 8880482000 today.